In this video, we will briefly understand Azure test plans. So as we know, we can do application testing either manually or through some automation. So whenever we want to test any application, we create set of test cases, right? And we test the application against these test cases, and based on the results, we mark these test cases as done or failed, right? So we can do this activity either manually or through some automation also, right? So in Azure pipeline, so this is like basic requirement. Like we want to create test cases, we want to mark them either pass or failed based on the test results, and we want to get the reports, right? And we want to group them and so on, right? So Azure test plans also offer us all these options so that we can create test cases, and within the test cases we can define set of steps which we want to execute within that test case, and we can group these test cases under a test suite. Okay, and these test suite, using a set of test suites, like collection of test suites, we can create one standard plan for a particular application, that is called test plan. Okay, and we can generate reports, and we can also parameterize this test cases. Okay, let's say if we want to reuse our test cases, then we can define some configurations and use those configurations to pass them as parameters to these test cases. And we can also track our test runs which are executed from the pipeline. So when we execute pipeline, we run some set of test cases against our code, right? So we can see like how many of them were executed successfully, and how many of them were failed. So if I go to our Azure test plan section, in here it shows this test plans, progress reports, parameters, configuration, and runs, which we discussed over here. In here I have already created this test plan, so we can do it one more. We can create one more new test plan. I say dev. In here, area path is in to which area path we want to associate this test plan to, and to which iteration this test plan is associated. We like in which sprint we are going to test execute this test plan. Okay, we can say in sprint 1 I'm planning to execute this test plan. So as I said, this is a test plan, the test suite, collection of test suites, and this test suites is a collection of test cases, right? Test plan, test suites, and this is a test. So we can create new test case here. I say test login page. This is our test case, and we need to define set of steps. I say color the login button. Expected result is green. Button should be in green color. Okay, and success message, expected result should be login succeeded. Show message as. So we can write our steps in this fashion, and create test cases like this, and then we can save and close, right? So this is our test case and this is our test suite and test plan. So this is I'll keep it up to here. We'll just briefly understood all these. In coming videos, we'll explore all these options in depth. So thank you for your time. See you in next video.